Fear is a natural part of the human experience. It serves as a protective mechanism, alerting us to potential dangers. However, letting fear dominate can hold us back from reaching our true potential. Embracing courage is what allows us to challenge these fears. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Every step forward in courage paves the path to personal growth. Adopting a growth mindset helps us view challenges as opportunities. Practicing self-compassion is crucial in our journey of transformation. Finding support from mentors and communities can strengthen our resolve. Understanding the psychology of fear is the first step in conquering it. Journaling helps articulate fears and transform them into action points. Mindfulness can ground us, reducing anxiety and promoting clarity. Embrace discomfort, for it is the gateway to discovering strengths we never knew we had. Perseverance is the key that unlocks doors to new opportunities. Through perseverance, we turn obstacles into stepping stones. When we face our fears, we begin to grow beyond our imagined limits. Courage allows us to seize the opportunities that life presents. It's the brave decision to take that next step that changes everything. Let fear be your teacher, not your master. Embrace courage today and watch as you transform into your best self.